Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This mobile Samsung J6. In this mobile FRP bypass problem. So first of all, you have to insert this SIM card any and set pin lock. You can see here pin lock is enabled, and now friends, you can see here unlock this pin lock and power button. And same time you can see here same time press. So now press power button. You can see here not sign in notification and swipe it to left. After that, click on setting icon notification and notification settings. Click on YouTube, add more setting and about YouTube Teams privacy policy. You can see our browser is open now. Now friends, you have to search frpfile.com slash when bypass. When you enter this link, then click search it. And now friends, scroll down. You have to download two application. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8, and next bypass FRP 1.0 APK. After that, scroll down and bookmark, cancel, history, and download history. There are two applications downloading. You can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. And don't forget it. Now friends, you have to install Google Account Manager and install it application. Now click done friends. Again install FRP bypass APK and open. After that, click on three dot by browse sign in. Now enter your Gmail account. Your When you enter your Gmail address, then click next, and next you have to input your password. When you input password, then click sign in. Sign in completed. Now you have to restart this mobile. So restart completed. Now friends, set up this mobile, start it, and next. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can see here checking for update and account added. Click next it. FRP bypass removed, Google account verify unlocked, and this mobile is unlocked. No thank you, and escape anyway. Scroll down and accept it. No thanks. Updating, adding the finishing touches. You can see here this mobile is clear now, and it is unlocked. Finish. So now guys, FRP removed. Now bye, be back later, see you next.